In this video, I want to show how you can use the software Okular to display PDF presentations. And with APS, you can really enhance your workflow when you have a lot of different PowerPoint and PDF presentations that you want to display for an event. So after you install Okular, then we open our presentation, and this is how it will look. To enter the presentation mode, you go here to view, yes, presentation, and this is how it's going to look for the audience. So right away there are a couple of things that we should change from the settings. First of all, you see this page counter here. It looks good, but it's not really necessary when you are displaying in front of the audience. And more importantly, now the presentation is being displayed on the main display, but we want it to be displayed on the external display because that's where the audience will see the presentation. So in order to set up Okular the way we want, we go to configure Okular and we go to the presentation. So first we turn off the progress indicator, and we are not using an animation. This is actually kind of cool, but I think it's better to use the default animation. And here is the important part, the preferred screen. So I know that display 2 is where I want to show my presentation. And now when we go and look at the presentation, it's there on the external display. And we have gotten rid of the page counter. So now you see that we can see the main presentation on the main display, while the audience can see the presentation on the external display. By combining Okular with APS, you can get an excellent workflow as an AV technician when you need to display multiple PDF and PowerPoint presentations for an audience. And what APS can do is make sure that you switch presentations really quickly. And here I'm just going to show you one feature that we call link presentations. It means that if we sort all our presentations alphabetically in the folder, then when we are at the end of one presentation like this, then pushing next on the clicker now will take you to the next presentation in the folder, which is a PDF. So it's like merging all your presentation into one large file, but you don't need to do this because APS will take care of the switching for you. And notice here how similar the presenter view with Okular is to the PowerPoint presenter view. And this makes it easier for you to control your presentations on one screen and display them to the audience on another. I hope this is useful. Take care and see you again soon.